Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Click4Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to blacklist someone in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. If someone keeps spamming, being toxic or disturbing your gameplay in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, you can blacklist them to stop any further communication. First of all, open the Mobile Legends Bang Bang app on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the main menu, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on your friend's icon at the right hand corner, this one over here. This will take you to the social tab. Select any category from the left hand side and choose the person you want to blacklist. To blacklist the person, go ahead and find the little human icon with a block icon in it on the right corner of the person and tap on it. Now in the pop-up, click on OK and you'll be able to blacklist the person. Now, to view the blacklist, go to the Blacklist tab on the bottom left, and you have the person in your blacklist from now on. The player will now be added to your blacklist and cannot contact or disturb you anymore. If you ever want to remove from the blacklist, you can always come back to this Blacklist tab and tap the trash icon at the bottom right to remove them from the blacklist. So that is how you easily blacklist someone in Mobile Legends Bang Bang, whether they are being rude, spamming, or simply bothering you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.